How to turn off Google Translate in Chrome? Here's how. If you want to stop Google Chrome from automatically offering to translate websites, you can manage all of these translation settings from one place. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, click Settings. Now, click Languages on the left side. On the right, scroll down to the Google Translate section. At the top, you'll see Use Google Translate. If you want to completely disable Google Translate, turn this toggle off. Below that, you'll find Translate into this language. Here, you can choose the language you want Chrome to translate websites into. Next, you'll see Automatically translate these languages. Click Add Languages to select languages that Chrome should automatically translate. Under that, you'll find Never offer to translate these languages. Click Add Languages to choose languages for which Chrome should never show translation prompts. For example, if you don't want Chrome to offer translations for English, you can add English to this list. These options give you more control without having to completely disable Google Translate. And that's how you can manage or turn off Google Translate in Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.